Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Diverse cultures, languages, cuisines, traditions and customs. India has been a famous country for many reasons. Another reason India is known around the world is its legendary folklore and uncanny beliefs, and it is up to you to either believe it or just brush it aside. Also, whether we agree or not, we always get intrigued when someone talks about spooky things, mysterious folklore and myths. And things get even more interesting once we cross the bridge of fact and just focus on fiction. The spine-chilling folklore you are about to read may not have an explanation, but is believed, and for sure, this will stir your curiosity. But before knowing about some of the urban legends of India, you must be aware of what actually an urban legend is. Actually, an urban legend is a fictional story rooted in modern popular culture. You can think of urban legend as today's folklore, just like traditional folk tales. They are based on real parts of culture and often real people. However, in most cases, the details have been exaggerated, ultimately making the stories false. They can take the form of an elaborate joke or hoax, a rumor gone too far, unsolved mysteries and crimes, popular misconceptions or beliefs, and so on. Some urban legends may be completely plausible, while others may have supernatural elements that make them less believable or clearly not true. Either way, their truthfulness is always questionable but perhaps also difficult to disprove. In the past, legends were historically relevant and usually related to real human events in one way or another, but hadn't been proven or documented as having actually happened. So throughout history, people had no way to prove whether a legend was true or false. What's more, they were passed on verbally, slowly spreading and evolving for years, decades and even centuries. But today, with the help of the internet and many other resources, urban legends are passed on quickly and easily, but it is also usually pretty easy to at least prove whether or not it has any real basis in fact. In this way, urban legends today are often easily debunked. Regardless of their truthfulness, some urban legends are silly and light-hearted, while others may actually be quite scary or disturbing. The term urban doesn't have anything to do with a story starting in the city. We use the word to help distinguish between older classic stories and those developed in modern society. So now, when you know what an urban legend is, let's know about some urban legends that are popular in India. Bullet Baba. Dedicated to the 350cc Royal Enfield deity, Bullet Baba is a temple located near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Legend has it that a person named Om Banna died in an accident 20 years ago while driving his bullet at this particular point. People who have come to worship the Bullet Baba testify to the fact that when Om's bike was taken to the local police station after the accident, it kept disappearing from the police station only to be found at another site each time. The news about this strange incident spread like wildfire, and the bike is now the idol in the temple. Om Banna is offered beer of the Bullet brand to keep him satisfied. It is said that if you do not stop to offer prayers to the Bullet Baba while traveling through the Pali-Jodhpur highway, you might not reach your destination alive. The vehicles passing by refrains from honking as an offering to the Baba. RA Colony. White sari, messed up hair, car chasing. Sounds familiar? This has been the basic storyline of several movies and you probably already know this. What if this becomes reality and your biggest nightmare? Situated in the suburbs of Gurgaon, RA Colony is known for chasing ghost stories. Serving as a picnic spot in the daytime, this colony becomes a hub for ghosts at night. Many filmmakers shoot at this very location that had frightened the crew members in the past. Also, people say that they have seen a woman lurking around late at night. The guards of the RA Colony also claim to have heard and seen a lady ghost that chases and stops the people driving around. And if you will not stop, she will scare the hell out of you. Don't even think about a night drive here. Lakkiri Gateway. The Wayanad district in Kerala is home to Thamarassari Ghat Pass, which is believed to be haunted by the wandering soul of a local tribesman named Karinthandan. It is said that in colonial times, a British engineer took help from Karinthandan to find the shortest route to cross over the Thamarassari Pass to gain access to the beautiful treasure trove of Wayanad. Once the engineer found his way through the Lakkiri Gateway, he killed the innocent man so that he could take the credit of finding the route. Later, many travelers passing through the new route reported seeing the wandering soul of Karinthandan. A priest was called and exorcism was performed to chain the doleful spirit to a tree. Amazingly, the chain has grown with the tree, which people believe to be the soul that has not been freed till now. The Legend of Seven Pagodas. The southern Indian town of Mahabalipuram is famous for its stunning bas-reliefs and the wonderful Shore Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The legend of Mahabalipuram states that there were 6 other temples that stood alongside the famous Shore Temple, which was built during the 8th century. The so-called 7 pagodas were so beautiful that even the gods became jealous of it. This caused Lord Indra to instigate a storm that submerged the entire city underwater except for one temple. During the tsunami of December 2004, century-old sediments were removed from the ocean floor and structures suspected to be remains of the submerged temples were revealed. Ban Jhakri. About 70% of the total population of Sikkim are Nepalis. Hence, many of the state's local legends have been borrowed from Nepal. One such legend is that of the Ban Jhakri or the forest shaman. Ban Jhakri is a powerful shaman who kidnaps young boys to train them to become shamans themselves, thereby carrying on the legacy of the Ban Jhakri. Many children are known to have returned years later as powerful Jhakris or shamans. Legend of the Yeti. Commonly known as the mythical beast, the Yeti is an enormous, shaggy ape man with huge feet and aggressive saber-like teeth. It has its origin in the Himalayan myths and is known to be a creature living in the Himalayas. Many tales and legends have developed around its mysterious sightings among the snow. The author Shiva Dakhal, in his collection of short stories about the Yeti, talks about it as a figure of danger. The moral of these stories is often a warning to avoid dangerous wild animals and to stay close and safe within the community. In 1921, a journalist named Henry Newman interviewed a group of British explorers who had just returned from a Mount Everest expedition. The explorers told the journalist they had discovered some very large footprints on the mountain, to which their guides had attributed to Meto Kangmi, essentially meaning man-bear snowman. The Yeti has also been frequently mentioned in the children's comic book The Adventures of Tintin. No Kalikai Falls. No, that means to jump, truly is what this urban legend of India is based on. It is about a woman jumping off the tallest plunge waterfall in India, No Kalikai Falls. Why did she do that? According to legend, a widow named Kalikai lived with his infant in Meghalaya. She remarried but gave undivided attention to her child. The husband got jealous, killed the infant and cooked him. After work, the mother sat for a hearty meal cooked by her husband and found a tiny human finger in her food. She screamed on top of her lungs, grieved and cried. Kalikai ran out of the house like a mad person and jumped off the No Kalikai waterfall. Whether you believe it or not, these urban legends of India make a good story every time you sit with your friends and family. Also, don't try to be adventurous and hit them up at night with a dingy torch. Ask the locals, they will fill you up with dozens of hair-raising ghost stories. So friends, if you liked the video, please appreciate it by liking it and sharing it with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel and let me know in the comment section whether you are interested for the second part of this video. Till then, goodbye.